Automatic source glass bottle packaging machine line. Can rotary in-feed table automatically sorting into the conveyor belt of the packaging line. Servo bottle clamping and turning machine accommodates a wide range of bottle shapes and sizes. Utilizes soft grip materials and precise control to prevent damage to bottles during clamping and turning. When the can passes through the blowing channel, the air blowing part in the channel automatically cleans the dust in the can. UV sterilization channel automatically sort the products on the conveyor belt of the packaging line, saving labor costs, improving production line automation, good UV sterilization effect. 4 heads linear granule weighing filling machines. Customized filling and weighing machine, high degree of automation and saving labor costs. Suitable for filling of granular and solid materials with high precision. Automatic single-head rotor pump filling machine. The equipment utilizes an advanced control system to accurately regulate the filling process based on preset parameters. Operators can easily set the filling capacity and speed to meet the requirements of different products. Single-head glass bottle vacuum capping machine. It adopts the combination of the upper cover and rotary cover with stable and reliable performance. All stainless steel material adopts the electrical accessories with the international well-known brand. The machine is mostly for serving an array of industry like food, beverages, and pickle manufacturing units.